Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I just wanted to give you a project share. I have Anna Griffin folded flower card making kit. There is 20, and I did half, and I'll put this box up for about a year or more and come back to it, and it will be all brand new again to me. So it's individually packed, and there's so much left over that I didn't use because I wanted to make sure I had it for the next card. So this is what it looked like inside. Thank goodness she gave us the thin tape because we need it. Here's what the card bases look like without anything, but there's a surprise to show you. Inside it does have sentiments, and you sign the back. I know I never sign the back because I don't want to take away from the person giving it, and I gift all my cards out. I make about $750 a year. I gift them. Comes with envelopes, and yeah, so that is what's inside the box. Beautiful boxes. I don't think she's making these boxes anymore. But anyway, look at the surprise. So I embellished the top. It already had some, and then I embellished some more. And then you open it, and it's got a flower. Can you see? I think I need to tape this one down a little bit more, but there's the beginning of it. Yeah, I do need to go back and tape this one down a little bit, just a hair. But that's what it looks like when you open it. So here's another one. If I didn't put a sentiment on here, it's because it can be wishing you happiness today and always. That can be like a graduation card or wedding or something different. So I didn't put happy birthday on it. So yeah. So this one, and then it opens, and look at the movement with the flowers and everything. It is just so pretty. And the middle pieces are very thin, almost thinner than copy paper, but isn't that very nice? It's so pretty. Look at that. Look at the movement. That's the middle. Isn't that nice? Look at the movement. So here's the middle. They've been closed up, so look at that. Here's some more. This one's really big and long. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, here's some more. This one's kind of long too. This one's tight. I love this idea. And it all came pre-done, so all we had to do was just tape. It was so easy. It was already pre-done, so we just had to tape it. If you don't like that, you just do that, and it's just pretty. But the inside of the cards are so pretty even without, I'll show you one, even without putting the extras. The inside of the cards are so nice. Okay, let me get some. Without the middle. See, you could just give that before you do something like this. So they were just so nice. Here's the same one. Here's with and without. So yeah, it was just a fun project. I did all of them so fast. But look at that. Isn't that nice? It's going to be such a nice surprise for someone to get these cards. I'm sending these to my mom. Well, I'm heading to Florida, and I'm going to stay there, and I'll give these to my mom. So I'm trying to get quite a few cards made right now. But yeah, so here you go. Don't even know where the center of this one is. There's so many layers and stuff. It's 3, and then once you layer it, it becomes like 6 and all. So it's so pretty. So there is my cards. Then next, look what I'm working on. This. and it is the schooner ship of Anna Griffin. So that will be next. I've already got them some cut, and yeah. And then after that, I don't think I'm going to have enough time to finish the classes, but I have a scrapbook. I'm getting it to show you. It is called Simply Astrid. This is all the supplies that comes with it, and I have a couple of books, and I have one of them done ready to give tutorials, because you know I give tutorials on scrapbooking. And so here I didn't use any dies. I only used what comes with the kit, so that if you have this kit you don't have to have anything extra. But look at this, how pretty it turned out. I am ready to make two page layout, a double page layout for all of this, and it will be on a daily basis. A new one will come out, so I'm ready to make those videos. But I'm leaving for Florida, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to fit in. So yeah, so you're kind of caught up. But yeah, I'm just having a fun time. Comment down below if you got these cards and what you like. And remember, I get a lot of extra stuff from my mystery box from Anna Griffin, and anything that I already have, I put aside and I gift out to people that are engaging with me. You don't have to always buy Anna. I just pick someone every few months, and yeah. So anyway, I hope you like what I showed you, and let me get off here because I want to craft. Bye. Have a blessed day. All my links are down below. Everything that I showed you is from annagriffin.com or hsn.com, and that's where you can find everything.